Is it time to change your worn or broken belt on your Wildcat? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen and this is Maintenance Matters. We're going to start by removing the clips on your clutch cover. So you'll loosen up this bolt and loosen that hose up. Pull the cover loose from your air hose. Now that's removed, you're going to open up the sheaves on your secondary using your secondary clutch tool that comes in your toolkit. This will just thread in. Now that's loosened up, go ahead and remove your belt. Now that's loosened up, go ahead and remove your belt. With the belt removed, you're going to want to double check and see which way the arrows are going or which way your wording's going so that you know how to put it back on. Check for any kind of cracks or wear or grooves into the teeth. This one looks like it's in pretty good shape, so we'll go ahead and clean up the clutch sheaves. As you're cleaning off your clutch sheaves, you'll want to check and make sure there's no grooving or gashes into the sheaves themselves. If there is, you will need to replace your clutch. If there's any belt dust, you can use brake cleaner to remove it. Just be sure that everything is dry before reinstalling your belt. Now that everything's cleaned up and in shape, we're going to reinstall the belt. And now that the belt is on, you can go on ahead and release the clutch sheaves. Go ahead and spin your secondary until it tightens up. You'll know it's tight once your teeth are level with the top of your clutch sheave. Now you're ready to reinstall your clutch cover. That's all there is to changing out your belt. See you next time.